Hello everyone, Rose here, and today I will be reviewing Rosalind's Gel Polish. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So let's start. So this one is Rosalind Gel Polish 15 ml bottle and it is shade C015. And it is a light gray color. And next is the shade C016 and it is also a gray color but darker from the first one. And the next one is shade C017 and it is a purple shade. And next is shade C018 and it is a nude color, kind of like a natural nude color. And the next one is shade C019 and it is color brown. And the last one is shade C020 and it is a darker brown color. Now I'm gonna show you the difference of the shade. First is the shade C015 and the next is the shade C016. So these are the shades. And then the next one is shades C017 and then the shade C018. So these are the shades looks like. And the next one is shade C019 and then the last one is shade C020. So this is the difference of all the shades. And now I'm gonna show you what it looks like on my nails. So first is shape the nails using a nail file. And then lightly buff the surface of the nail plate. And then brush off the nails to remove the dirt. And then sanitize the nails using alcohol prep pad. Air dry for at least 30 seconds and then apply a thin layer of base coat. Base coat protects our natural nails and keeping it a little sticky after curing. It helps to make the color gel last longer and avoid from peeling off easily. Cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. And next is apply a thin coat of soak-off gel polish color of your choice. So I'm gonna start with the shade C016. So I'm gonna apply a thin layer of gel polish color. Wow, look at that nail brush. It is easy to use. It is so soft, it makes it easy to apply the gel polish. And this is the first coat look like, and now apply a thin layer of second coat. And then cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then apply the top coat and cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. And this is what it looked like. It is pretty and opaque in just 2 coats. And next is I'm gonna try the shade C017 and it is a purple shade. So apply a thin layer of first coat. And then cure. And then apply a thin layer of second coat. And then cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. So this is what it looks like. It is already glossy without the top coat. And then apply top coat. Cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. Next is the shade C018 and it is a nude color. So first apply a thin layer of first coat. Rosalind 15 ml gel polish comes with 40 different color and it is bright for nail art designs. And then cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds and then apply the second coat. I really like this color because it has the natural nails color in it and then it has the clean look of the nail color. And then apply top coat. And this is what it looks like. So next is the shade C019 and it is a light brown color. So first apply a thin layer of first coat. Cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds and then apply the second coat. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And cure. And look how glossy it is. And now apply top coat. And then cure. It is very pretty color. And next is the shade C020 and it is a dark brown color. So first apply a thin layer of first coat. Cure under UV or LED lamp and then apply the second coat. And then cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then apply top coat. Top coat makes the color looks glossy and shiny. It protects the gloss of the color gel polish and makes it last longer. So I really love all the colors. It's like the colors that you will never get tired of. And I love the quality and consistency of the gel polish. It is odorless and I also love the nail brush. It is so soft, it makes it easy to apply. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up.
Subscribe.
And thank you for watching.